Hi all, welcome back to GTL Labs YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss order point based inventory planning in IFS applications. As you can see in the graph, order point based inventory planning is primarily based on the order point, lot size and safety stock parameters of a particular inventory part. IFS Applications has the capability to automatically calculate this order point, lot sizes, safety stocks and next order date based on the IFS demand planning, history or yearly predicted information. This process called IPR, which stands for Inventory Planning and Replenishments. In today's demonstration, I have set up these parameters for an inventory part manually. Let's try to generate the supplies to cater these demands. Let me get into the IFS application. Now I am in the inventory part availability planning window and this is the part which I have selected for this demonstration. This particular selected part is having a custom order demand for the 11th of February and it is having a custom demand of 60 units. Let me show you the inventory part planning data details of this part. This part is having the planning method B as the inventory part planning method, which is the order point based planning method available in IFS applications. For the demonstration purpose, I have defined a safety stock of 20, order point of 100 and lot size of 10 manually. If you are interested, these order points, lot size and safety stock figures can be automatically calculated based on IPR parameter setup for this particular part. Those options will be discussed in a separate upcoming video. As the next step, what I will do now is I will run the order proposals for this particular part. You will be able to see how supplies get generated to cater this particular demand. I will navigate to the Create Order Proposals window and I will run the order proposals for this particular part. If I go back to the background jobs, you will still see it executing. Okay, it is executed now. This particular part is having a lead time of 30. So unlimited purchase lead time comes on March 6th as shown in the field. This particular customer demand is within the purchasing lead time. Based on the order point based planning, it has generated a purchase requisitions for 100 units. This is matching the order point level. Let's take a scenario where I have a higher demand compared to order point within the purchasing lead time. Let's try to increase the custom order demand to, let's say, 200. I have changed the demand to 200 and if I refresh the inventory part availability planning page, you will see the demand has been increased to 200 and still I am having the earlier purchase requisition. What I will do now is I will try to execute the order proposals again for this particular part. I will move back to the Create Order Proposals and I will execute the order proposals again now. Then if I go back to the background jobs, I will execute it. Okay, it's ready now. I will navigate back to the inventory part availability planning. You will see there is a purchase requisition generated for the 220 units that matches with the demand. If demand is higher than the order point within unlimited purchase lead time, it has generated a supply that meets the demand requirement plus the safety stock. In this case, we are having a safety stock of 20 and demand of 200. Therefore, purchase requisition has been generated for 220. If the demand is less than the order point within the unlimited purchase lead time, then it will create a supply that meets the order point level. Hope you got a better understanding about how IFS order point based inventory planning works. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to GTL Labs for more content like this. Do you have any thoughts or questions? Please share them in the comment section. We would love to hear from you.